I've been trying to break into the IT industry since I graduated high school, and that was over 10 years ago. I've never had any formal training, so I've learned everything by myself, but I never really got the opportunity to start as a junior in any roles.
The Canadian Tech Talent Accelerator program is a partnership between Microsoft, NPower Canada, the Digital Technology Supercluster, and our external evaluator Blueprint to help equip underserved youth across Canada for digital careers. And this initiative has really become even more urgent in the context of the ongoing pandemic. The young people who we serve in our communities across Canada have increasingly been displaced from the types of work they were often able to secure when first starting out in the labor market. NPower Canada is a registered charity with the purpose of reducing poverty by addressing youth unemployment, aiming to launch youth from low-income, diverse backgrounds into meaningful and sustainable digital careers. Microsoft's philanthropic vision was becoming even more expansive in the realm of the Global Skills Initiative, aiming to support 30 million people with their digital skills development and their career launch. That expansive vision was really inspiring to us.
What COVID has done for me is it gave me the opportunity to join in the Junior Data Analyst program at NPower Canada and take a course that gives you the opportunity to take certificates, to talk to employers like Microsoft, get ideas from different people and mentors.
I figured that I wanted to get into the tech industry, and it's not really easy to get into the tech industry without any experience. That entire pandemic year, 2020, was spent just self-reflecting and working on where I want to go, where I want to be, and how I'm going to get there. The NPower Junior Data Analyst program actually showed up when I needed it the most.
Canada's digital supercluster is the product of bold, ambitious public policy focused on improving Canada's economic growth and our prosperity. Essentially, Canada's digital technology supercluster is a community of organizations, academia, research, public organizations, private sector, government, that are committed to solving some of society's and industry's biggest challenges by creating, scaling, and deploying Canadian-made digital solutions.
The ability to connect with like minds and share questions and doubts. We would always be very hands-on, and the learning environment was very practical.
Part of the opportunities that I found at NPower was a chance to interview for jobs early. I'm now working at Longview Systems as a systems consultant.
By connecting Microsoft and NPower, our supercluster is showing how we can learn more about the jobs and the opportunities that are available, the skills, the training, and other experiences that are needed to fill those jobs, and then working with these employers and other organizations, develop the training programs and the skills development programs and the job experience programs so that when individuals graduate from our Canadian Tech Talent Accelerator, they are truly job ready, and they will have the ability to go into these vacancies and to fill these jobs, not just with skills and training, but with confidence. That's what makes this such an exciting opportunity for Canadian youth.